Hello, this is Malashri, the co-founder of Ignited Minds Ventures, a STEAM education organization that promotes conceptual sciences through experiential learning. And we have recently launched an awareness campaign for the Earth Day on 22nd April, in which the students have to send 2 to 3 minute video on how they will save their planet Earth. So they have to identify the most relevant problems that people are facing on Earth, and how will they solve it, the solutions to those problems. And this has to be sent to support at ignitedmindz.asia by 25th of April, and the results would be declared on 10th of May by our esteemed judges. And we are really looking forward to engaging more children so that we can bring about a revolution of ideas amongst children. And some of them may be crazy, but you never know, they might work. So looking forward to your videos. Thank you.